I'm Jen. If you are new to the channel, I am one half of Jen and Joe on the Go. We are a travel, leisure, and Disney channel. I think we have at this point over 1,200 vlogs on our channel that are mostly Disney, so that is crazy. We've been almost vlogging for 6 years, but I wanted to do something different today because I am going through something that is absolutely crazy, and if you're a woman, you're going to go through it too at some point, and that is the dreadful menopause. Yes, I am post-menopausal at this time, but I wanted to share my journey with you because hopefully it will help someone, one of you maybe, get through it. Again, I'm not a medical professional. I can only share my journey with you and what worked for me, but hopefully it will help somebody out there. So a little back history. I have 4 kids. My first child was born in 1992, and I was 22 years old, almost 23. So I started having kids really early. So I had a second son, then I had a miscarriage, and then at 30, I had twin girls. So 4 kids, best kids. But then to move on, I started perimenopause in my late 30s, early 40s. I did a blood test and to confirm it, and my doctor put me on a birth control pill to help with those symptoms because I would experience heavy period bleeding, not so much cramping, but it was the bleeding that got to me. Started having the night sweats. So she put me on the pill. It was a low estrogen pill because I do have a history of breast cancer in my family. My mom, her mom, and her mom's sister all had it. So then that leads me to, at age 55, my doctor said I had to go off the pill. So I went off the pill in late December of 2024, and the whole month of January, I'm like, oh, this is great. This is awesome. Well, then in February it hit me, and it hit me hard. Night sweats, the chills, couldn't maintain my body temperature. My face started breaking out. My skin just started to feel very greasy and icky. And I started gaining some weight, and I was not feeling good about myself. So I called my OBGYN, my gynecologist, and said, listen, I need help with this postmenopausal stuff. So I actually went and saw her yesterday, and she and I talked and went over everything that I had been experiencing and what we could do going forward to help me feel better. And she put me on a combination of estrogen and progesterone. It's 1 pill a day, taken at night, probably for the next 5 years, because by age 60, you should be weaning yourself off of that combination from what I've been told. So I can already, just taking it last night, I feel a huge difference. I feel like my face isn't as greasy and oily. I feel like my skin looks much better today than it has the whole year of 2025. I slept a little better last night, which was a big thing. The insomnia was just kicking my butt. That is one of the most common symptoms of post-menopause or menopause, is the insomnia and the night sweats and the chills. So I will keep everyone updated if that's something you'd like to hear, how my journey is going forward. Like I said, I've only taken the pills last night. I take them about a half hour before I go to bed, but just wanted to see, if I could help somebody out, or if anybody had any questions or wanted to share their experience with me. Because like I said, everyone's menopausal journey is different. This is just my experience with it. And I am hoping that it continues to get better and I can lead a great later part of my life, because that's the stage I'm in. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action. Because if you're following along, or if you're new to the channel, we are putting up our February 2025 Disney trip videos. But now maybe every once in a while you'll get one of these. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.